What's going on, Jedi and Mandalorians? This is Wild Boar 1, and you're watching Wild Boar's Rip. And today is the release day of Star Wars Unlimited, Shadows of the Galaxy, which is the second set. So I have a box here to open, and without further ado, let's get to ripping. So excited to open this box. I haven't seen any of the cards yet. So hopefully we can get something nice, hopefully like a showcase or some nice legendaries. And tomorrow, Wild Boar 2 will be uploading his box rip as well. Alright, so before we get into it, let's take a look at this box. Oops. There we go. Got some nice characters in the front. We got Maul, we got Dr. Aphra, we got Cad Bane, Jabba, and this bounty hunter right here. On the side we got Hunter from Bad Batch. And we have the Wookiee. I think it's Kersantin, his name is. Alright, so let's give this box a pat and a salute for good luck. And let's get it set up. And may the Force be with us. Okay, so this is all new to me, so I don't know what to expect with these packs. Put these off to the side right here. Alright, so first pack. This is I guess, Lando, young Lando. Oh, right. Forget, these are the ones that rip easily, so there you go. First pack, and let's see what we get. Alright, first Hyperspace Finn leader card. I'm gonna take my time opening, looking through some of these, since a lot of these are new to me, so let's put this here. And for our usuals, we got some commons. Price on your head. Nice artwork. Ooh, this is really nice. Rivals Fall. Lone Deserter. Right. Now for the uncommons. Okay. We got our first rare here. We got Zori from Episode 9 Star Wars, I guess. And for the foil, Cargo Juggernaut. Alright. Next pack. Let's go with Lando pack again. Young Lando. Danny Glover, I believe. Or Childish Gambino, as he's also known in the music world. Alright, first card, Fennec. Fennec leader card. Our leaders right here. And our bases. Let me just organize all these really quickly. Alright, there we go. I forget there's so many different card types with Star Wars. Daring Raid. Fennec. Gotta say, I like the artwork. Very nice. And change the way the back looks. Nope, same. Street Gang Recruiter. Armed to the Teeth. Spare the Target. This is Mando and IG-88. I think episode 1 of Mandalorian. Commission. We got a rare. Tarful, right here, Wookiee. Foil, alright. Wavian Antagonizer, that's very nice. And, oh, that was it. I forgot, the last one's the foil. Okay. I gotta get used to, I'm so used to opening one piece that I forget. Alright, what do we got here on this pack? We got ourselves, the Mandalorian girl. Her name blanking on me now. Alright. And we got Bossk, leader card Bossk. Navarro City, right on. Starfighter. Reputable Hunter. Wanted Insurgents. Outlaw Corona. Outposts, okay. Fugitive Wookiee. Alright, we got some more Wookiee cards. Cartel Turncoat. Protector of the Throne. New Adventure Gambit. Interesting card. Oh, it's C-3PO and Uncommon Echo, Bad Batch, Unexpected Escape, and we got a rare, Dr. Pershing, and oh, Hyperspace rare. Nice. We got the Marauder. All right, let's go ahead and sleeve this one up. I believe the Hyperspace rares are like 1 in 25 or 1 in 50, so yeah, I'll take it. Got our first big hit. Let's go ahead and double sleeve this one too, just for good measure. And let's put that in a top loader right here. The Marauder. All right. All right, next pack. Let's go with another Bo-Katan. There you go. I don't know, I was blinking. Bo-Katan. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, first card. We got ourselves a Boba Fett leader card. Some nice artwork there. Let's look at the front. Boba on the throne. Very nice. Spice Mines. Now for our usuals, or regulars. We play Pat Gang, Quad Jumper, Heroic Renegade. I'm going a little slower than normal just because he's... Oh! Hyperspace, Rivals Fall. Okay, that looks nice. I'll go ahead and sleeve this one. Hyperspace. Let's sleeve that up fairly quickly. Put all our hyperspace together. All right, the Slaver's Freighter, Wookiee Warrior, Surprise Strike, Commission. We got the armor. That's some pretty nice artwork right there. Fennec Shand, Hyperspace. We'll sleeve that one up too. Followed by First Light Rare. Maybe, I know there's a lot of hyperspace, so maybe I shouldn't sleeve up everything. I'll save it for the legendaries going forward. Okay, Rare, First Light. Oh, Hyperspace Common, Relentless Pursuit. Very nice. Okay, let's sleeve up that one too. Hyperspace Foil. Put that right here. And our hyperspace here. And our hyperspace leaders right here. Alright, so I gotta pull a legendary too. Alright, Boba Fett. Let's go with the Boba Fett pack. I really like the artwork and the colors this chapter. And as always, the paper holder I like because it's easy to rip. We got Han Solo leader card, Remnant Science Facility, Outlaw Vanguard, Desperate Attack. We got Outflank. All right, Black Sun Starfighter, Hawk, 290 Freighter, Wanted Insurgents, Mandalorian Warrior, looks like a Death Watch Warrior, Wanted, Cartel Turncoat, Ketsu Onyo. That's a nice card. Enfys Nest. This is from Solo, the movie. Oh, Hyperspace. Alright. Han Solo in Carbonite. Very nice. That right there. Kylo's TIE. Oh, it's legendary. Nice. TIE Silencer legendary and foil and first loyalty. Alright. So let us sleeve this one up since it's a legendary. Our first legendary. Very nice. And let's put this with the hits. Alright, let me just go through the cards. Make sure I don't have any other legendaries that I missed. I'm so used to the One Piece system that let's see. Make sure some legendaries didn't sneak up on me. Got a rare right there. Alright, I think I got them all. Alright, sorry for the delay. Alright, let's keep going. Let's open a Bo-Katan pack. I promise I'll speed up now that I'm starting to see more cards. Alright, we got Han Solo, leader card, Jabba's Palace for the base, Discerning Veteran, Detention, Warzone Lieutenant, okay, Trandoshan Hunters, that's new to me, Cargo Juggernaut, Oh, we got another hyperspace. Resourceful pursuers right here. Look the other way. Common. Privateer sick. Common. L337. Uncommon. Uncommon. Fell the dragon. We got ourselves rare. Oh, Migs. Migs Mailfield. And for the foil, Clone Deserter. Alright. Next pack. Let's go with our boy Boba Fett. Alright, Boba, what do we got? Okay, for the first card, we've got... Oh, Kylo Ren leader card. This is a rare. Nice. Okay. Love the artwork right there. This is from Force Awakens when he stops the blaster attack. He's like, look how old you've become. Alright. Maz Kantina Clone Deserter. Alright. Price on your head. Reckless Gunslinger. Quad Jumper. Wanted. Slaver Starfighter. IG-11. Zuckuss. We got ourselves another hyperspace. Remnant Reserves. Uncommon. Rare, we got Tech. Bad Batch. And now rare foil. Imprisoned. Nice. Alright. Next pack. Go with Lando. Young Lando. Now, let's see what we got for the leader. We got Bosk. Nice. Coronet City. Neum Outpost. Adelphi Patrol Wing. Guavian Antagonizer. Timely Intervention. The Gentle Giant. Alright. Got ourselves a Hyperspace. Protector of the Throne. Relentless Pursuit. Ripper. Sundari Peacekeeper. We got Embo. I'll really have to go through these cards later to see which cards will be which I want to add to my deck, or maybe make a new deck, see what's fun to play. We got a rare Choose Sides. Alright. Foil. Trandoshan Hunters. Okay, next pack. Bo-Katan. And for this pack, we got ourselves Hondo. Alright, Hondo. We got a card. Navarro City, Hyperspace, Covetous Rivals, Reputable Hunter. Alright. House Cast Soldier, Outlaw Corona, Pike Sentinel, Underworld Thug, Smuggler Starfighter, Spare the Target, Heavy Fighter. We got a rare Vambrace Flamethrower, followed by foil Mandalorian Warrior. Some nice artwork. Alright. And the next pack. Lando. Let's go. I'm so excited to open up these cards because I love Star Wars. Boba Fett. We get a card. Spice Mines. Weequay Pirate Gang. Okay. Alabon Enforcer. Alright. Desperate Attack. Okay. Whoa, Wookiee Warrior. Look at that artwork. Mandalorian Warrior. Heavy Fighter. Sonara-san. Kitsu Onyo. Rare. We got Unrefusable Offer. This is, what's his name? DJ, I guess? In, episode 8. That little side mission that wasn't really developed the plot when they, with Finn and Rose. And the Vigilant Pursuit Craft. Alright. Let's go with, Boba Fett. Oop. Hondo. Deathwatch Hideout. It's new to me. A Foundling. Ooh, look at that artwork. Grogu's meditating on the rock, and then the Death Troopers steal him. Cool artwork. Delphi Patrol Wing. Outflank. Wookiee. We got ourselves a Hyperspace, Hunter of the Haxian Brood. Cloud Rider. Surprise Strike. Underworld Thug. Some of these look similar to the cards from the first one. Punishing One. Coruscant Dissident. Crosshair. Got a rare. Assault Cruiser. And, oh, Hyperspace Foil. Clan Ren Rescuer. Very nice. Let's put this in a little sleeve. Even though it's just a common, I still like foiling up these Hyperspace foils. Sleeving up, I should say. Look at that. All right. Just some cards on the side. Next pack, we got Boba Fett. From the Book of Boba Fett. And who was our leader? We got Rey. First time I got Rey as a leader. All right. Pretty sure I'll get to, as I open more boxes, I'll get a ton of these leaders. Rey. Spice Mines. Okay, let's go through these. Regulars. Roshir Tree Tender. Wookiees. Still away. Okay, our usual. Gamorrean. This is new, actually. Covert Strength. Armor. Y-Wing. Ma. Clunky. Blood. Toro Calican. Gauntlet. Oh, there's some pretty awesome artwork right here. Bounty Hunters. Boba Fett. Kragan Gore. Fugitive Wookiee for the foil. Nice. Next pack. Lando. Donald Glover. All right. Kira. We got Kira from Solo. Played by Emilia Clarke, also known as Daenerys Targaryen. Remote Village. Okay, and our usuals. Oh, Follower of the Way. And some really nice artwork here. Alright. Smuggler's Aid. Jabba's Rancor. Luke fights that in Jabba's Pit. Rose Tico. Rare. Bazine Natal. And foil, uncommon, Brutal Traditions. The Mandalorian. Very nice. Go with next pack. Maybe a little more than halfway through, so let's hope to get another hit. Okay, first card, we got Rey. Alright, lead a card Rey. We got our Cornet City, Hyperspace. Put that in the Hyperspace pile. Cast Soldier. Moisture Farmer. Alright. Super Commando Squad. Kintan. This is the Way. That's some cool art. Quill. This is the Way. This is the Way. Alright. Land Speeder for the rare, and we got Bo-Katan for the foil. Okay, Bo-Katan pack, let's go. I think we're due for another legendary hit or something better. Let's see. Oh, Boba Fett, Hyperspace. I'll take it. Hyperspace leader, Boba Fett. Let's put him up here. Okay, Navarro City. Death Mark, that's new to me. Greedo and Han, Rivals Fall. Daring Raid. Clan Ren Rescuer, Hyperspace. Criminal Muscle. Okay. Cripple Authority. Oh, Han Solo and Carbonite. Fen Rao. For the rare, we got Wrecker. And for the foil, we got Outlaw TIE Vanguard. And next pack. So far, I think we got one legendary, so I think we're due. We're due for at least two more. Come on, big money, no money. May the force be with me. Han Solo, hyperspace. I'll take it. This is the younger Solo from Solo movie. Remnant Science Facility. Gunship. Alright. And we got our usuals. That's new to me. Pillage. I think that's also new to me. Fennec Shand. That's nice. Client. This is the one who was trying to get Grogu into Mandalorian in the beginning. Oh, Legendary Rey. Nice. I'll take it. Look at that. Very nice. And for the foil, Detention Block Rescue. Alright. Rey Skywalker. Let's foil this up. Maybe I'll use this for my deck. I do play a lot of blue and tan. Rey Skywalker. Alright. Next pack. Let's go for some more hits. Boba Fett. And who do we got? Gar Saxon. Alright, it's new to me. Gar Saxon. Cornet City. Away. Deathwatch Loyalist. Village Protectors. That's new. Got Hyperspace. Gunship. Frontier Trader. Smuggler's Aid. Colonel Muscle. Spark of Hope with Leia right there. Poe? No, Luke. Luke's Ghost. Not Ghost, it's Force appearance. Kira, rare. Nice. Common, Slaver's Raider. Alright. We're down to our last maybe 7 packs, so need some more hits. Let's go. We got Bosk. Need a card. Remote Village. Alright, the Moisture Fiber. Oh, I think I see a Hyperspace coming up. Yep, Protector of the Throne. I'll take it. Ma Clunky. Grey Squadron Y-Wing. Echo. Quill. Oh, this is Chewbacca. Let the Wookiee win. Rare. For the foil, we got the Mercenary Gunship. And Donald Glover. And Lando. Okay, first card. We got Lando. Lead a card, Lando. Alright. Village. Let's go through our usuals. Cargo Juggernaut. Whoop. Okay. Top targets. Bo-Katan. That's nice art. The Millennium Falcon. Imprisoned. For the rare and a foil. Uncommon. Oh, Millennium Falcon again. So nice. We got it twice, but that time in foil. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 packs remain. We need another. Due for another legendary hit, so Pat salute for good luck. Let's see what we get. Hondo. Okay. Jabba's Palace. Hyperspace. Covered Strength. Okay, let's go through our usuals. Lady Proxima. That's new to me. Crosshair. We got a Wild Rancor foil. Frontier Trader. Alright. Next pack. Boba Fett. And we got ourselves Rey. Rey Skywalker leader. Alright. Death Watch hideout. Okay. Go through our usuals. Wanted Insurgents. Hyperspace. Very nice. Featured Trader. Ooh, what is this? Unexpected. This is Kylo Ren. Bravado. Han and Chewie. TIE Phantom. Effant Mon. Okay, for the rare and foil. Rare foil. We got a rare Zori. Nice. 3 packs remain. Pat, salute for good luck. Let's see what we get. Bo-Katan. And for the first card, we got Cad Bane. That's new to me. Cad Bane leader card. Let's see the front there. Jabba's Palace. Go through our usuals. Ooh, Hyperspace Rich Reward with the Mandalorian in his Durasteel before he got his full Beskar armor. Alright. Brutal Conditions. Chrysantin. Oh, Palpatine's Return. That's some nice art.
Do it. So be it, Jedi.
And for the foil, Price on Your Head. It's Bodhi from Rogue One. Alright. 2 packs remain. Give this one a pat and salute. Boba Fett. May the Force be with us. Alright. And first card is Jabba the Hutt. No, he was leader. We got Remote Village, Hyperspace, Ruthless Assassin. Alright. Vambrace Grapple Shot. Alright. This Obi-Wan. Pretty cool. Take Captive. Reward. Look the other way. We got Boba Fett Jetpack. Crumb. Oh, give in to your anger. That's some pretty cool art. Luke fighting Vader right there when he cuts off his hand. And another rare foil.
Do it. So be it, Jedi.
Rare foil. Palpatine. Palpatine's Return. Now we've reached the final pack, so let's give this one a pat and salute for good luck. See what we get. Okay, first card is Rey Hyperspace. I'll take it. Nice card right there. Beautiful artwork. Alright, followed by Jabba's Palace. Okay, and then our usuals. Hunting Nexu. Seen Brood. Wanted. Can we get one more big hit before Cassian Andor? That's new to me. Legendary! We got Mando, yes! There we go. Ask and you shall receive. We got Mando, Legendary. And for the foil, we got ourselves foil, Gamorrean Retainer. Yes, I'll take that. That's a nice way to end the box with a Legendary Mando. This is the way. Alright, so there you have it. Let me go through our hits. Let me first get this Mando all sleeved up. Alright, so let's go through the hits, starting off with the rares. Quite a few, so I'm just gonna go through them real quick. Palpatine. Kira. Alright, those are all the rare cards. Let's go through our foils. I guess the foils I should have gone after. Rare Palpatine, probably the best foil I got. Bodhi. Zori. Okay. Bo-Katan, also a really good one. All right. What next? What next? Let's go through our hyperspace. We got this. Rich reward. A lot of nice looking cards. These are all our hyperspace. Carbonite, Fennec, Rivals Fall. I really like the artwork in this one. Even though it's just a common, like, look at that. Looks amazing. All right, hyperspace leaders. Got ourselves Rey, Han Solo, Boba Fett, and Finn. As for our hyperspace foils, we got ourselves a Clan Ren Rescuer and Relentless Pursuit. There. Now for the big hits. Big hits, big hits. So we got ourselves a hyperspace foil rare. So we got 4 hits in this box. This is, I think, 1 in 50 for hyperspace foil rare and legendary. So the Marauder. Okay. Save that for last. We also got Rey. Legendary Rey. We got ourselves Kylo's TIE Silencer. Legendary. And my favorite, the Mandalorian Legendary with a Grogu. Alright, so thanks again for watching. Be sure to tune in tomorrow. Wildboar 2 is going to be opening his box, and then I'll be opening another box as well, probably the next day or sometime earlier next week. But till then, thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this content, and may the Force be with you. And stay tuned for some more Shadows of the Galaxy rips.